Heatwave has definitely finished. Let's get into the department and do some filming. Let's not forget that. Hi, I'm Chris Armstrong, Programme Director for Chemistry at the University of Hull. A sentence I definitely do not feel old enough to say. I don't need to tell everyone that this has been a bit of a rubbish time recently, and students have taken quite a hit too, having to adapt to new ways of doing things, having the social aspects of university completely gutted, and often doing everything while trapped in quite small study bedrooms. But at least you have solidarity from celebrities singing you songs from the comfort of their mansions and private pools.
I'm still standing there.
Truly inspiring stuff there. So I want to take a moment to say thank you directly to our students. You've done amazing things in a difficult time. Our first year students, you took on the global challenge and looked at beer production, vaccine information, atmospheric pollution, and the plastic problem caused by the pandemic. Our second year students, you logged onto a server and you did your own complex computational calculations, learned organometallics, spectroscopy, and structure determination, and then took on the truly terrifying equations of statistical thermodynamics and quantum mechanics. Then our project students, you've made new anti-cancer compounds and materials that can disinfect surfaces just using light, produced devices that can analyse wastewater, built a chemistry escape room, and written more words than I can count that begin with nano. And of course, thank you specifically to our graduating students for your feedback on the National Student Survey. At a time when all the headlines are saying that satisfaction is at an all-time low because of the pandemic, we can say that we got 100% on that NSS question. We are absolutely allowed to officially say that we are 100% for student satisfaction, along with a lot of significant increases in NSS scores. It's a humbling result, and we want to say thank you for the recognition. We've put in a lot of effort and work with you, and we want to continue that into the future. So here's everything I think we've achieved in the last 2 minutes to get that score and what we're going to do in the future to increase this in 2-ish minutes. Okay, then start the clock. So students tell us that our staff are friendly and approachable. We can be contacted through an open office door, email, MS Teams, or just outside a lecture theatre. Our academic staff all take part in the teaching labs, showing students directly how to use the equipment as we would, passing on our professional experience that we have. We offer a diverse range of projects where everyone can apply the knowledge and skills they've gained and really bring it all together, not just chemical knowledge, but writing, communication, presenting, and project management, giving everyone a chance to direct their own projects. We've introduced a project skills portfolio so that MChem students can look back on what they've developed and what they've improved on, and they can take that with them into the future. We've increased the amount of interactive workshop time we have with students, where we can actually talk, solve problems, and discuss chemistry. More lectures than ever are now interactive via Mentimeter or clickers to ask and answer questions so we can respond to people in the room. All of our lectures are recorded and can be watched again via our Panopto system at your own pace, so you can catch up on anything you've missed or need to see again. We haven't just taken 50-minute lectures recorded 2 years ago to teach during the pandemic. We've built it all from scratch, specifically designing things to be watched at home before coming to a workshop or tutorial. Our online resources are built so that you're only ever 2 to 3 clicks away from the material you need. We listen to students continually through a load of different processes. Again, 100% on that NSS question this year. We listen in the classroom via questions and answers. We do it formally via the staff student forums and course reps. We do it halfway through the term to make sure we're on track, and we do it at the end to evaluate our models. We have big events like our poster session and our MChem presentations, and next year we're committed to bringing it back better than ever with a student symposium across all projects and years. We're specifically teaching more transferable skills, how to write, how to read, how to analyze data. We have a short course on Word and Excel and citation management built into the project modules. And finally, we've made mark schemes and expectations clearer with specific examples of what we think meets and even exceeds our expectations. And that's also going to roll out further across all aspects of the course, along with feedback designed to help everyone improve. That's 2 minutes roughly up. We've barely scratched the surface of what we've done in the last couple of years, and I really look forward to making it even better next year. So if you're a returning student, I will see you soon. If you're graduating, thank you for your hard work, because a chemistry degree is a truly challenging subject and you should be proud. And finally, if you're thinking of applying through clearing for chemistry, do get in touch via the university or check out our online open day material. We'd love to see you and teach you too. Bye.